Let's take a look at this fidget cube. Work, class, home. This can be clicked. You can glide it, you can roll it, you can spin it, you can flip it, and you can breathe. This fidget cube costs around 250 rupees or around $5 or so. You get a lanyard to carry it, which goes in here. You also get a smaller instruction sheet on how to use each of those surfaces. What is fidget cube? Fidget cube is a desk toy for anyone who likes to fidget. This is the cheapest one and the smallest one. You can buy a bigger version. It also comes in quite a few colors. All these surfaces are covered with buttons and balls and switches, and they have a nice tactile feel to them. This one you can rotate it. This is just a switch. And these are sliders, and you can rotate that ball by moving your finger over it. On this side you get a dented surface, which is supposed to help you breathe easily. It's apparently modeled on a traditional worry stone, which will help you de-stress. The whole side is made out of soft smooth rubber, and on top of it you get a joystick looking thing which you can move around or press to click. Really fun fidgety product. I think you should go for this size, because you can put this on your keychain and carry it everywhere with you, and keep fidgeting with it while you wait for stuff. Quite nice. Check it out. The next version should have some kind of a Bluetooth mechanism that gets charged when you use these buttons. Connect these to apps or something, so that you can actually use a physical button to do stuff. Or even if it just gives you the stats, it would be really fun. It could show stats like you switched off 100 lights today, or you're close to switching off all the lights in New York. Same with the ball. It could say you rolled 1 kilometer today, and this could say like you popped 50 bubbles today or something like that.